Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about the AC system on your vehicle and how you don't want to get caught in that hot summer heat. You turn on the AC and it doesn't work properly. The best thing to do is have the AC system checked twice a year. And in doing so, we just do a performance check on it. We check the actual pressures to make sure the AC Freon is at the right pressures. Take a look at the cabin filters. As you see, can reduce airflow through the dash quite a bit when you get a plugged cabin filter. It should look like this, nice and clean. We check for any leaks from the system. We take a good look at the belt. We also check to make sure that the temperatures coming out of the dash are where they should be and proper. In doing so, you'll keep your AC system in good working order, and when you need it, it'll be there for you. If there are concerns with an AC system, such as loss of oil or Freon, it should be addressed to prevent failures of compressors and other valving in the system. If you do run an AC system low on Freon, there is a shutoff to prevent it from damaging, but excessive times of doing it can cause damage to expensive components, and we want to keep your AC system in good working order. Make sure and have your AC system checked yearly to keep it working well. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.